Hello guys, welcome to Enable Website Design. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Calendly and your Google Sheet right in n8n. Now, the very first thing you have to do is come into your n8n, click on your trigger and select Calendly trigger, right? And you have to connect your account. Look at credential. By the right hand side, click on this place and you see your API key. So you can just go back to your Calendly and get your API key and paste it, and you have connected. Look at the event. I said event created, right? So that is how to connect your Calendly. Then the next thing is to connect your append row sheet. Now, if you have connected it like this, your Google Sheet, you select append row, and then from document you select the actual Google Sheet you want to use from all the Google Sheet you've created in your account. Then the sheet is sheet 1 for my case, and this is the column how I mapped it correctly the way I want it, right? Then after that, the next thing you have to do is publish your work. Then go to Calendly, create an event. I have one created. Copy the link and book an appointment. Paste it. All right, so try to book an appointment. Let's say I book appointment for 29th by 2 p.m. Next, put in a name, any name will go, texting, then schedule event, and this is it. It has been scheduled successfully. Now I'm supposed to get a mail that I have scheduled an event, but while we wait for that, let's go back to our n8n, and this is 610, right? And that's it. You can see it ran successfully. 610, it ran successfully. You can see that. If we go back to our spreadsheet, you can see that booked, right? And just by doing that, you have successfully connected your Calendly to your Google spreadsheet right here in n8n. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.